course, it's a special participation in our film. Thank you very much. Ano ko lagi yan, lucky charm ko lagi sa mga pelikula at video. And me celebrating my 20th year next year with Beauty Only goes to show how much loyal this brand is, and it's vice versa. I'm just really happy because of the support they've been giving all through these years. Ngayon, kasama ko na si Melinda. Napakagaling sa pelikula. Nandun po sa kabila yung mga kasama namin. But we're really thankful that you made your time to be here tonight. Even if, you know, there's a lot of things happening in our country. Maraming salamat. Of course, we have to be sensitive. Kasi syempre may mga kababayan tayo hindi rin maganda yung pinagdadaanan ngayon. So, let's pray for them. But also, please enjoy the film. Ito po ang handog ng Star Cinema directed by the #1 box office director, Direk Cathy Garcia Zampara. Yes, ganda. Yes. Yes, invite niyo yung mga pamilya. It's rated G. So you can bring your whole family, your whole household. At masisigurado po namin. At kami first namin makikita yung pelikula, but we're just so excited because pag sinabi ng family drama, the last time that Star Cinema did the film, a family drama was 8 years ago. So we're just really happy and you know, we're thankful, we're grateful because we're given a chance to give life to our characters and to a beautiful story na sabay-sabay po natin mapapanood tonight.
Yes, thank you so much, Fiora and Belle. But last quick question: as we are about to watch this movie in a few minutes, one lesson na gusto mong makuha nila for this movie?
Ako na. Hindi na matapatapit. Joke lang. What I love about this film, it really gives so much importance to the people we love. And that doesn't necessarily mean kailangan bloodline kayo. Family could be anyone. And I do believe that each and every one of us here can relate to this film because it talks so much about love. And love is a universal topic that everyone can relate to. So, madami kayong mababaon dito. Ang dami talaga. Ang dami yung emosyon na mararamdaman. Some of these emotions, mga hindi nyo pa nararanasan or nararamdaman before. But it
Bakit blooming ka ngayon, Melinda?
Grabe naman!
Parang may bisita ka sa kabila.
Going back, ayun nga, mapapahalaga natin yung mga taong mahal natin.
So, parang namumula ka bigla.
Uy, grabe ka! Welcome si Gini.
Di ba nag-blush? Nag-blush ka, Melinda.
Sakto-sakto na naka-blush na si Belle.
Ano daw mababaon na yung aral dito? Ano mababaon na ng aral?
Maraming aral, you know, as she said, you know, it's a universal topic. Love is a universal topic. But what we can be proud about is the sense of family. Sense of family kasi makikita mo talaga dito how nag-arise yung conflict, how we were able to resolve that. As much as it's a sensitive topic, basta magdala na lang kayo. Meron ba kayong mga tissue?
Meron!
Oo, kasi importante yan. I'm so scared to watch it because, you know, it hits close to home. Pero syempre, pelikula lang po ito. Pero masasabi namin talaga na marami kayo, hindi lang kapupulutang araw, kumbaga different emotions na mararamdaman all throughout the film. At pinaghandaan talaga ng Star Cinema. They wrote the script for so long and they really prepared something so beautiful and sana po magustuhan po ninyo.
Thank you so much, Fiora and Belle. Of course, kailangan na tayo quick photo with all our viewers na nandito ngayon. So let's just face this side and ready na ating photographers as well. Let's do our first one here, center stage.